So starting off over here, as you can see, we're using this portion of the purple floor instead of over by the beams. We're gonna see how this works for being more efficient with our space. Now at station 1, the students are gonna be practicing their handstand flatbacks. I try to get the mat as far to the beams, as close to the beams as possible and far away from the bleachers. So they'll start here, remember hands on the purple and not on the mat itself. Elbows at ears, hold up, and stay flat as they land for their handstand flatback. Station 2, they're gonna be practicing their ensembles, but on this, they're gonna start at the line and they can have a couple of steps into the ensemble. So it's gonna be a little bit more difficult for the coordination, but they'll start here, backward arm circle, jump, and land. It may help if they're keeping track of their steps and which foot starts and which foot ends, as opposed to just trying it over and over aimlessly, because it does take a good amount of coordination, especially when they're doing that backward arm circle. At station 3, they're going to be practicing their L7s, and they're going to try to do this with the high knee position in place right over here. These rings will not only act as a marker, but it will try to challenge them by keeping them from moving their feet forward or back and accidentally putting them out of place. So they'll start here, good L7 positions with their elbows bent, and they're going to be doing high knees in the rings. If their feet aren't going directly up, then they'll start to accidentally kick the rings out of place. So that's going to be a good challenge for them there. And finally, at station number 4, they're going to be practicing their dive rolls, their dive forward rolls from the trampoline onto the resi mat. So they don't need a huge run up for this, which is why we started this here. And they can get a nice, good start, good ensemble technique over here, push up into their forward rolls.